Okay guys, well, welcome to Matt's Garage, and we're on our way to pick up another PT Cruiser. We're just leaving, pulling out of Calgary right now, heading for Okotoks, which is where the car is located. We're getting this one for only $300, and it's the Woody package car, 2002. So we'll see the rest when we get there. It's got a little accident damage, that's why it's so cheap. And I actually have to replace the tie rod end when we get there before we can drive it home. Okay guys, well we're here at the car. It's under a cover, but you can see the problem here. The tires are completely shot, and I was planning on driving this 2.5 hours home, which is not going to happen. You can see this one's the worst, and it's actually going flat just sitting there. They're Michelin's, which is surprising. So I don't know if I'm even going to take the car. I'm having to get it towed if I do take it, so it's a real debate here, but we drove a long ways for it. So okay guys, well we're not able to get the car towed, so unfortunately we're leaving it here. It's too bad. I just wanted to show you inside. This was my plan, was to swap this into one of our other cars. And unfortunately, we just can't get it home. So that's the end of this very short video. We're gonna head home now in Mom's Dream Cruiser and call it a day. So thanks a lot for watching Matt's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.